everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the coupon preview for June 7th, 2020. There's going to be two inserts, one Retail Me Not and one Smart Source. Now I do want to give you guys a heads up. The more you coupon and the more you get used to your newspapers in your local area, you will notice that you don't get all those coupons. They're regional. I wish they were not regional, but some of them are. So if you guys ever see a coupon, you're like, oh, I didn't get that, it's because it's a regional coupon. But just want to give you guys a heads up. I know for sure I get maybe about half of these coupons that I mentioned anyways in my area. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. So here is the Retail Me Not. We are getting, one thing I did want to mention, this website is SundayCouponInserts.com. I like always the inserts previews on here because it's cool. But we got Dial for Men Body Wash. We got $1 off. Excellence, Genteel Tears. Listerine, we got $1, Nature's Bounty, $1, $3, Osteopatidae. Persil Laundry Detergent, we are getting $2 off coupons. That's awesome. Right Guard, $1. We got Right Guard, buy one, get one free. Most likely that will show up on coupons.com. I've noticed when they have those coupons, they show up on coupons.com. Shea Moisture Face Products, we got $6 off any two. And then Shea Moisture, products, also 6 off of 2. Okay, so just regular, so shampoo, that's a pretty decent deal. Simply Color Sundown Sustain, yeah. So that is all for the Retail Me Not. For, like I mentioned, you guys, I will not get any of these coupons. I won't probably even have a Retail Me Not, or if it is, it's like one coupon, pretty much. And let's see, I bet you we'll get CoverGirl, because we always seem to get CoverGirl. Oh my goodness, we don't have CoverGirl that's coming out this week. But here's the Smart Source. We got Allegra, 5, 10, and 4. Effordent and Sure, $4. Jet Dry, $1. Finish, $1. Finish, $1. Green Tea. Chic, $4 off. Now hopefully there are some coupons that we guys can print, and there's some digital coupons. I feel like Chic, I haven't gotten any of those coupons anymore, but I do like it how we have digital ones. Jergens, we got $1.50 off. Refresh, 8 and 5. Russell Stover Box Candy, $1 off any two, and then the bigger things are $2 off. Sargento Balanced Break Snacks, $1. Another Chic, $4. Seltzer or Selsum Skintimate or Chic, $6 off any two. That's gonna be a pretty decent coupon. So just want to share with you guys the inserts that we are getting this Sunday. So if you guys need to go ahead and get papers, I feel like it's a slow. I mean, I think they got some really good coupons last week, but it's slow this week, so I probably won't be buying any extra newspapers because I know I only get like a quarter of what I just said to you guys anyways. But just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.